Welcome to this video, where we'll be discussing the amazing benefits of eating oats. Oats are a highly nutritious food that have gained popularity in recent years due to their numerous health benefits. In this video, we'll be exploring 5 of the most significant benefits of eating oats, backed by scientific research. So if you're looking to improve your overall health and well-being, keep watching to learn about the incredible advantages of incorporating oats into your diet. Oats are an excellent ingredient for maintaining healthy skin due to their unique properties. The minerals found in oats, such as zinc, iron, and magnesium, offer numerous benefits to the skin. They help to cleanse the skin, remove toxins, improve blood circulation, and promote skin cell renewal. Oats can be a great addition to a muscle-building diet for several reasons. Here are some of the benefits. High in protein. Oats contain a decent amount of protein, which is essential for building and repairing muscles. Rich in carbohydrates. Oats are a great source of carbohydrates, which provide energy for workouts and help to replenish glycogen stores in the muscles after exercise. Oats are well known for their digestive benefits, particularly for relieving constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Incorporating oats into your diet can be an effective way to improve digestive health and alleviate constipation, particularly when combined with other healthy habits like drinking plenty of water and staying active. Oats can also lower the risk of heart disease because they are rich in beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that can lower LDL cholesterol levels in the blood. Contains polyphenols that can lower blood pressure. Low glycemic index, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of developing diabetes. Rich in antioxidants, which can reduce inflammation in the body. Last but not least, oats reduced cholesterol. Yes, oats have been shown to help reduce cholesterol levels, particularly LDL, that is, bad cholesterol levels. This is due to the high content of soluble fiber in oats, specifically beta-glucan. In conclusion, oats are definitely worth considering as a healthy and tasty addition to your meals. And if you like my video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also click the bell button so you can never miss when I upload another video. Thanks!